was younger, my parents used to put so much pressure if I got 93. They would ask, what happened to the 7%? Maybe they wanted me to unlock my full potential, but me, I thought I did my best. For years, I thought I couldn't choose my life. Like there was always something that wasn't perfectly right. Like it always had to be changed. Like my word didn't stick. Studying sciences, it's them that had me going to college, not wanting to be a doctor. But here comes the good old, if you want to be successful talk. That's the career with the money, you know, the works. But honestly, knowing back then what I know now, I think I would have fought sooner, fought harder, and not wasted those years. Because as much as the lawyer and doctor and Indian chief makes money in the long run, the build up, the breakdown, the stress and strain on the mental health isn't worth it. In my opinion, that is. It's kind of bittersweet because it did kind of help me to just be more of a listener, of a thinker, and of a doer in silence. But that also came with anxiety. It came with overthinking, you know, all that jazz. So, in looking at the glass as half full, maybe it wasn't that bad. Like there was some kind of character building in all of it, and you know, lessons learned, and we're moving on to bigger, greater things in the future. And we're not gonna be that person that was afraid, a fearful person that went through life just hoping to God that it worked out by the grace of the universe, rather than being more intentional and purposeful with every step, with every action that I took. So now, looking back, I see the change, I see the difference, I see the growth and development in the years that I have made that step to being more intentional. And I look forward to the future because I know that I still have so much to do, so much I want to accomplish, and so much more growth that I want to embark on. So, have you ever been in this situation? Because I know most of the times I'm talking to you guys and sharing in hopes that you know that you're not alone. And I know while it's very, very cliche and I don't want to get into the nitty-gritty of every personal and emotional thing, but sometimes I just want to show that you are not by yourself and there's someone in the world that feels the same way as you. So let me know in the comments so we can actually share and cry and laugh together. How did you get through whatever you are going through? How did you band together and make the change for yourself?